and you're watching Business Live. Still to come, Ghanaian Firm Riepco leading the way in industrial engineering and consulting for decades. That's our feature on the Joy Business Van tonight. Ghana has a booming mining sector, which contributes significantly to the economy. The mining sector attracts more than half of all foreign direct investments and generates more than 1/3 of all export revenues. The story was different in the early 80s. Ghana was grappling with political instability and would deal with severe drought along the way. But that was when Charles Tetteh started Riepco. He was among the first to venture into the mining services sector here in Ghana.
I took up the challenge, the first Ghanaian to enter the mining service sector. I was one of the first. Why? I had a vision. That's an area where Ghanaians are not able to go. I would dare to go. So I did. To be honest, it's been successful. We started by representing international companies in the mining era. Going through magazines and things, I saw a lot of companies who are interested in mining. So I started to contact some of them. Some of them were Canadian companies, Swedish companies, German companies. And they started responding to our request. So we started to represent some of them in Ghana as their representatives, meaning that we bring equipment from their companies, supply to mining services, and we service and install them.
Riepco, which essentially is a refactory industrial engineering products company, became a supplier to the mining and non-mining industry, pioneering the introduction of global engineering technology, machine parts, local support to many businesses and industries in Ghana and other West African countries.
We were one of the first Ghanaian company that got in touch with CAMISA, the Canadian association, and they put us into a lot of companies. So we're waiting for a lot of Canadian companies. We had opportunity to have the two American senior overseas services who came to open our doors for us. We're only a supplier from the beginning.
Yes. And
what we were doing in addition is that whatever we supply for the factory, for example, we install, we service. Equipment we bring in, we install, we service and commission them. So we started with a lot of technical expertise. So we had mine engineers, chemical engineers, process engineers, electrical engineers, name it.
It wouldn't be long before Riepco became the market leader and turned to value addition.
We're now in the system where you can see this is a product called Cutlass Exposé products, which is a raw material from South Africa. We are mixing it here, and it's good for maintenance in the mines, institute maintenance, where you have problems with where you can use it immediately. It will last you 2/3 of a new equipment you buy, so it's cost effective. Now we decide to go into local production of this something. We call it conveyor idlers for conveying the ore, because we also sell the conveyor belting. So to have the conveyor running, you need to have this. So we do conveyor systems. We build the systems and we assemble it here. We are not manufacturing fully yet, but we bring the pipes, we bring the shafts, we bring the things. With the workshop now, we are able to really assemble. Now you can see the valves on the floor. It's also used by the mines, valves and pumps. So the step is to assemble the valves here, which we have a joint venture with a company in South Africa called Riepco South Africa.
Over the years, Riepco has expanded to include not just engineering and manufacturing, but provision of solar services through partnership with Radiance Power Systems. Riepco also provides estate services for especially expatriates in the mining sector and has also ventured into the production of industrial garments. Integrity and honesty, Charles Tetedako believes, has kept the company. What is lacking most in the area of this business is quality of labor. That's why Riepco invests so much in training.
Most of our competitors in the mining sector or our colleagues in the mining sector were offshoot from here. Most of them are offshoot from here. So I put in a lot of human resources in that area.
Riepco has kept its relation with Canada through the Canada-Ghana Chamber of Commerce.
The Canadian Chamber has been our rock. I must be honest, as I said, when the Canadians came in to start, fortunately by association and by my association with people, I got introduced to the chamber. Then with my affiliation in the mining sector and having worked with various experts, I was able to franchise with them easily. So the Canadian Chamber supported us traveling to Canada, visas, booking appointments, visiting the Canadian companies was not a problem to us.
Riepco presently serves 8 West African countries in various cities: Abidjan, Lomé, Cotonou, Bamako, Freetown, Monrovia, Ouagadougou, with local branches in Obuasi and Takwa.
We've shown for the past that we are not a company that will not honor its obligations and commitments. So people, we don't at this moment don't look for suppliers or partners and the rest. They come to us, and when we are a member of the Ghana Chamber of Mines. In fact, I serve as executive chairman for the suppliers to all the mining companies. So people come to the country, want to do business mining or so, they go to the embassies, they go to people, and they said, go and see Riepco first. It's a good future for the company.